and report the child missing, you don't even contact your wife, then you play like say, all of them something, yeah, this is no joke, you know, and the thing pissed me off so much.
Yeah, man, that for sure. So the man have something in his brain.
How can you live with the wife and you not see the little boy and you don't even think, let me find out if him gone up at the hospital?
Yeah, and a man different him there and she that man different. She not the first person.
Hold on, if Mr. T report Jayden missing 6:30 minutes to 7, what time did the wife come home to say Jayden don't reach home yet? And him say, oh, true? Oh, you mean him already report Jayden missing?
Him got the hospital to the wife and him reach a police station before him go to the hospital. And
when him got the hospital, him don't tell him wife say Jayden don't come home. Him never tell him wife.
Him already done say Jayden don't come home.
Come on, man.
Him not tell him wife. Him don't tell him wife.
And them something that piss me off because how you go tell me say Mr. T got the station, go report it to police with Jayden brother, father, whoever, and then got the hospital. Don't say nothing at all to the wife. And then act like say you never know what going. And like it just don't make sense. It don't make sense.
Okay.
And that's why you see there is plenty reason why me lose off of Jamaica. Me lose off of family and me lose off of Jamaica. Because you see when me there at Jamaica, me little and me I grew up. Remember me tell you say all them something here, Mr. T get take away and he get beaten until he
me have to talk. The dance sent me, that's how I love the
community, when me little and I grow up, community. You see one big
so what I'm saying that when them used to hold them and beat them talk.
You have to reach out for the big person that's
where the community there. Where the people them in the community there.
If I did not us, so I Mr. T already.
Alright.
That's why I love the Dan them because that will have solved a long time.
That's why area Dan is important sometime.
We have find the problem long time.
A good one is important.
Police them don't want them on the government because when they do the shit they done them I will get in it.
I mean not care what nobody want to say. Apart from Jayden little mother, we need the help. We don't know which way to turn. Jayden not no family. Jayden not no good uncle. Jayden not no boy cousin.
You know nobody.
Now little fool Mr. T. Little Mr. T and them are, they not go sound of it do them nothing but keep them and make them have to talk. Keep them and make them have to talk. However we make them have to talk, innit? Them have to talk.
Did anybody do any investigation if any other kids went missing from that school?
You know nothing to do with the school out of the house. Jayden problem come from
because the principal may not trust, that's why I'm asked. Sorry.
No, the Jayden problem come from right out of the house. Jayden problem.
But the principal is a part of the house.
Exactly, that's why I'm saying that.
The family is so innocent, but yet still then give it double story for everything.
Surprise.
The principal is a part of it too.
Surprise. How does the aunt know the principal? Like
the aunt work for the principal.
Are you sure?
Mr. The aunt work for the principal. Mr. Amanda, Mr. T work for the principal. And Mr. T tell me, bro.
No, Mr. T same work for the principal at Beta or whatever.
That is why her mother could have had the key for give Mr. T to go up at the house or spurt you when they.
I'm surprised. Listen to me keenly. Man, I say you're lying, because me I asked this for the people them recording today and I played it where the principal say he doesn't know this family member like that, right? But I know that is a lie. I know it's a lie because I also played the other recording of the aunt where based on how she call him and the hours she call him and ask about Jayden, we know say she know him differently. So now what me I ask you, because this case people not like for run with hearsay, them want things that is fact. So may I say, how can you put the relation between? Man I say them there, but the relations in terms of how these people know each other, the wife and the principal.
The bread and whatever place where them are rent, it is Jayden auntie who would have cleaned up the place. As she deal with the place when people forgot it. She keep the key.
Yes, but what has this have to do with? Oh, you know, listen, you called about the Mr. Gabriel too, man. He must say yes.
Mr. T tell me, say, boss, Gabriel, how much time I can tell you now?
Okay.
I keep repeating myself over and over upon the same thing. And the first time I say it on Tiger Life, Mr. T tell me when we are walking along the yard, one time he mentioned it out of his mouth, say the boss and Mr. Gabriel, in boss and Mr. Gabriel. Right? Because we are talking about the yard. Me and my reason we are talking about the yard and whatever. And I saw him, I don't never slip out of his mouth and he mentioned Mr. Gabriel. And then now me start to learn now. In the community say yes, because sometimes he even got Manchester school go do some work up there too.
Shanda, you know what I get from this with Mr. Gabriel will come out and make this thing. Remember, you know, when Jayden just come missing, you know. This your man you act like saying more Jayden for how long? Oh, you talk about this little boy have some good survival skills. That are not red flag. Jayden just start go to school. Jayden just start go to your school, sir.
Listen me, I know for a fact that this lady knows this principal more than what he is saying. But what I'm saying is this principal came out publicly and denying knowing these people having any form of relationship outside of school.
That is now
yes. So this is why me approve it, me I show people. I'm just basically trying to show up this man to people where I defend him and I say the principal now have nothing to do with it, you know. I show Uno how much this man is a liar.
That's why I place him in there and I could put him in there.
Jayden in the beginning. People see Jayden survival skills, how much he was heating at school more than
even that he did say that. We couldn't place him. We couldn't place him even if he did say that. But just with the fact that Mr. T said, I'm boss. Hey.
No, but look how him did that act, how him did enough up in the case before. Everything him did that see have to divert people as well if you look into it. Because you are tell people say him survival skill.
Well, that's exactly what he's doing.
You are tell people how him did that eat
and he
did a plan to run around dogs. And then you tell people say,
have no bone on
everything was to deter people.
He said the case soon box, so he might take away himself now.
Yeah. Out and say wants to deter people from the family. Everything he come out and said.
He was placing Jayden to be a runaway child.
And
so the police would have been looking for Jayden for 100 years. Looking for him 100 years that he run away. He will pop up. He will come up someday. He will pop up someday.
We need to find out who is Jayden teacher. That's what I think.
And
that the teacher them want to find out.
Said Jayden probably take drugs. The principal I try back it up. He say, that
them
day was
eat so much
than normal.
That wicked man in there, I tell you.
So we try to back up every negativity they put Jayden as a bad child as well.
All of a sudden.
When our kid go to school, the principal doesn't know all of the picnic them in the school and the teacher them close to the picnic them. So how that the principal less so close to Jayden?
When Malak can monitor how much him eat and him survival.
If you're a footballer and you're a top footballer, the principal are gonna know you. If you're a top school challenge quiz person, the principal are gonna know you. Right? If you're a guidance counselor, the principal will know you. That take you some time to develop yourself in the school that him get to know you.
Thank
Him
you.
Jayden not get no chance to develop anything in the school that the principal could have know him like him a say him know him.
He's
Our
only
time,
been there
that means
for 5
at
weeks.
school. That means that Jayden
He's
no in
only
no
went
class.
to
He
the
just
school
walk
for
around the
5
school.
weeks.
No, Jayden sit down in an office. And in an office, Jayden men and him all
2 weeks was summer school. 2 weeks was summer school.
yeah. Him did Jayden sit down in an office and him all of them the food there. That's why I know him so much. You have him in there like a hands and great like fat name.
And in there, the scout training, in their cadet training, fear watching survival
That's
skills.
scout training. That was scout training. And then
You know how much test you have to pass for you can see say yeah, your survival skill good. You have good survival skill. You know how much test you have to pass.
Jayden run the wild hog. Jayden, when we done run down in Manchester to survive in a bush. He had dagger with him and book arrow, all of these things. And in knapsack full of beer tricklement and fish hook.
Surprise, if Jayden in the plan to run when number one Jayden wouldn't left him phone. He wouldn't left no money in and a pan.
The boy and then I run with.
When people come up with all of them argument, they just piss me off. Because
But when them
it's like
take out him money out of him saving pan, you know. Remember everybody talk and say, oh, him take where this the money here, them give him that the money there. Remember everybody did that talk that, you know. The exact amount of money, what, $1,200 whatever dollar out of him saving pan.
Oh, you know what
pan. Plus him get 2 breakfasts.
Exactly.
Plus them are make breakfast for him, so he get 2 breakfasts plus $3,500 Ghana school. Okay. Like people like
And then him go buy pizza.
I said this man have to put on some weight on him back.
I don't want nobody tell me no foolishness in my years old.
Some fish line for tie for me, sir. T-balls, man. Making get up with you and turn up.
You know, you must say the whole of them need to get they in a separate, like a tiny room. With just
Tap up your life.
This is serious, and then come out and them a take people for idiot. Down to something as in breakfast, you go tell me say 2 hours no attack, so no make breakfast. And then when you ask about the little boy, this year one you have to say in drop off a bed, the mama the auntie never see him. Then you go here so she did see him. She never like just give us one story, make we kinda get
one story and done. Then you go say him drop off a bed. No, him never drop off a bed, him drop off a couch. No, and this and that. Too much I want, and it just frustrating. Tiger, play the recording what Mama did ask for. Please, I want to hear it too.
Which recording? Which one?
What she was asking for earlier.
Yeah, what recording was who?
Mr. T, when he must say
Mr. T, when them come 6:30, reported 6:30 a day, police.
Because this just even make things more diabolical than anything else. Or you can report to your wife. You go to the hospital and you not go report that to your wife. And you go home and act like you don't have no sense, you don't know what.
They don't see everything stage, man.
There is no way. Me find that hard to believe say him could have even do that and then come and people. Yo, Jayden not no family. Jayden not have no loved one. R.I.P. Jayden, and me I say R.I.P. because I don't believe you're still along here with us. I'm really sorry for you, man. Me looking at your face as a promising little youth. Me sorry you never get to make it
like
out.
say them untouchable. They feel like say them story and them untouchable. And through them have family in the police force, them feel like say them can't get well.
Me sorry the little youth you never get to make it out, man, cause you can't see the little youth. You see the medal them running man, a running run and a football in a man, a education in a you. The little youth
Brain.
Trisha, hear me?
Yeah.
You said Jayden don't have no family, but you know the Bible say about those who don't have no family.
Yeah, man, the Lord said him will take.
Alright.
Back Jayden,
Watch you pray, man.
Punish them.
Watch you pray.
Go on, on there, guys. Guys, do me a favor. Can you follow the host? Because there's 4 people in the live when not follow me, you know. And if you not follow me, you can't listen to the recording. No, that one never just said that personally. Guys, can you follow the host, please, and thank you. No, not you. The next one with the side of you. No, the other one. Yes, you. And the next, yes, and the one there. Guys, if you're not following in the host, can you do me a favor, please? Can you put some tissue in your ears, please? The next person with the next beside you. Can you follow the host, please? And if you're yes, and guys, and all that who follow me, thank you for the following, and I hope that your following basket will never go empty. Yeah, but there's 2 person left. Guys, tap on my name and touch on the following, please.